Okay, so wait. Tell me, this Dollar Tree planter doesn't look like a giant fidget spinner. It does look like a giant fidget spinner. So let's make the cutest fidget spinner gift basket for Children's Day, which is el Día del Niño. Easter basket, birthday parties. Let's fill it up with stress relief goodies. Let's keep watching and let's begin with spray painting basket. Before we spray paint, we get a piece of cardboard and we will cut it in. I'll get like 3 small, well, actually, you will need 9 small pieces. We're gonna cut it all, and then what we're gonna do next, we're gonna glue these underneath the basket. Grab 3. This is cardboard, so I'll glue these 3 together to the bottom of the basket each. So you're gonna actually need 9 pieces of cardboard. Now, why am I doing this? Because when you glue the spinner to the bottom of the basket, this is what's gonna happen. It's not balanced. We don't want that. So what can we do to actually make it spin? So we're gonna glue. I was trying it, guys, like different ways to see what will work for this. And I guess this is the best. Let's glue that to the bottom. We'll do the same for all. Maybe if you have like something else, but in this case, this is all I had, like the cardboard. Let's make it work. Let's see. Okay, so now that we have all the sides with the cardboard, let's make sure it's stick together. You can see again what I did. I did use cardboard, cut 3, as you can see there, 1, 2, 3. This is to balance the basket so it won't move much. It will move just a little bit, but it works better this way when you glue the spinner. Okay, next we will spray paint. Again, you can choose any color, but I went with pink. I wanted something nice, so I did go to the store and I was checking all the shades, the pink shades that they had at the store, and this is the one that I like. So up next, let's spray paint the basket, okay? And then we can glue the spinner. But before let's spray paint, let's head outside. Let's go. That will be the one.
This one?
I'll go for that.
Okay.
Next, let's get the fidget spinner. This is the only thing I got. So I'll be gluing this to the bottom of the basket. This facing up. So this is what's gonna make it spin. Again, we added these cardboards so it could balance, and then we did glue the fidget spinner to the bottom of the basket. Now the moment we were waiting for. Let's see. Again, look at the balance, it's very good. Let's see. And it spins. Now it's ready, guys. It spins now. Yay! Woo, I love this. I can keep going and going all night. Okay. Again, we did glue the fidget spinner to the bottom of the basket. Okay, but again, you need something so it would balance. Okay, now we can begin filling it up with all the stress relief goodies. So again, since this was a fidget spinner, that was the first thing that came to mind as when I saw this planter. I was, okay, I need to make a giant fidget spinner that actually spins, and that would work. So I kept the theme. I wanted to keep going with the theme of stress relief. So I did get some stress relief goodies. Okay, I'm not doing ASMR anymore. So I'm adding that. Little things that go with that, right? Most this is again there, and then I'll be adding some candies and so into the basket. But now it's what else am I gonna be adding there? Okay, so the next thing is, let me remove this. I need cardboard so I can glue my things into the cardboard. I'll be cutting a piece so it will go in there in the middle, straight up. Okay, let's keep watching. There you go. I'll just put a little bit of hot glue on the sides and the bottom. Again, this is just to keep like the things that I'll be putting into the basket together. I have a big plush that I'll find a way to put it into there because it's actually so big. This is a plushie. I'll get some paper in there. You can bring it up and help us with bringing this to the front. I'll begin with the treats, candies, and that. You can add their favorite treats and so. And this is what I like about having a cardboard on the back because you can like tape or glue all the goodies in there and it makes the basket look like bigger. Okay, you cut there. This is how it looks. Let's add the Oreo. I do need clear tape for sure because this won't show. Okay, so now let's turn it around and we will begin by adding now all the little toys. This will actually help bring this forward. I'll just tape it, put a tape there to the bottom and same thing there. But again, make sure you use clear tape for that. Okay. It matches with the box, so I guess. I have a plush toy, but I'm thinking it's just too big. Okay. I'll just put a little bit of hot glue. About these, I got these makeup sponges. Like so cute. This I'll just put in here, as well as the iPad. I'll use a little bit of hot glue, just a bit. I want to add too much glue in there. You have so many goodies to put in there. You have so many things. You can just put in there. You have space. Make it there. Just put some tape in there for the pin. Okay. Just gonna fold it. I'll put it in there. We have a spinner that we can put it in there, or let's see. Just need something small to cover there. I'll just put one of these in with these. We're almost there. We need some Easter eggs, and again, if this is for a graduation or Children's Day, El Día del Niño, así está bien. This is fine like this, but this is an Easter basket, so I'll be adding some Easter eggs in there, and it should be ready in a minute. So it's getting there. All you can see, it's many fidget toys, again, because it goes with the theme of a fidget spinner. So I'm keeping that theme of stress relief. Okay, it's just so beautiful. A hack, you can use a poster board. It works awesome if you use a poster board to keep things in place. Okay, I'll be adding now Easter eggs where I select those spaces. I'll be adding there. But before, let's add the grass. You can use a bucket for organizing. So yeah, this is what I love about these baskets. And again, they can use this little bucket for things to organize and so on. So many things that we can use this for. And if you would like, maybe adding the name or something there, you can. In this case, I'm just going to keep it like this, and it looks very nice. Okay. Adding the next thing is wrapping it up, cellophane paper, and make a bowl. Let's wrap it up. So guys, I'll do this. Let me just get it ready, bring it over here. The other thing is I want to add this plushie in there. I'll figure out how can I do this. It's a big plushie. Oh, it matches with my blouse. We'll see how I'll do this, okay? Let's keep watching. Okay, guys, so I decided I'll put the plushie there. There's no other way. It's a huge basket. We'll see. Now let's wrap it up. So now let's make the bow. This is the ribbon I'll be using. Okay. Let's begin with the tail. It will be 8 inches. So there we twist So we measure the first loop will be 8 inches right there. Okay. From there we twist 8 inches. Okay. Now the next loop will be 7 inches. Let's see. Right there. Don't forget to twist. And we give it 7 inches. And we twist. 7 inches. Okay. And we cut right there. Okay, now the next step, you grab a zip tie. You can use the smaller ones. I didn't have the smaller one, so this is what I'll be using. You're gonna put it underneath the bow. We can tie this up. No, before you zip it up, let's grab another zip tie. You're gonna put it under, like through there. You're gonna put it through there, and now you can zip up. Okay. It's just so easy to do the bows. Okay, let's fluff it up. If you see the purple one there, let's get the other pattern. Same thing there. We have the purple one there. Let's bring the colorful one. And so. Okay, now let's put it in the basket. And we will be done now. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be having more DIYs for graduation, Mother's Day, and many other DIYs that I have in mind. So just subscribe so you can keep watching and keeping up with the DIY. So let's keep going. Now the final thing is adding the bow. And I love using zip ties. We're just gonna put it in there. We zip it up and it will be ready. Just fluff it up. And we should be ready. Can't wait to show you the final review.
If you did loved this DIY, making a giant fidget spinner, hit that subscribe button for more DIYs. I have more for Teacher's Week, Mother's Day, much more. So please subscribe to the channel. And again, thanks for watching.